So this is how everything came out of the box. Now the bags actually have the letters, so I'm gonna leave the bags on for now. Looks like this bag opened up in packaging, but there's this item list, so I should be able to piece everything together. And here are the basic instructions for how to put things together. I'm going to try to do it a little bit differently. I'm not going to add this bar because I'm not going to set it up in the bathroom. I don't have enough room. And if I add this now, I won't be able to put it behind the toilet. So I'm going to add this bar last and see how that goes. So far, this is rather easy to put together. Not too bad at all. So I just got done putting it together. It's actually really easy to put together. I was pretty happy with how simple the instructions were. It does come with these screws, so you can actually screw the whole shelf into the wall if you want that extra support. Also, I haven't put this bar in yet because I want to just install it over the toilet before I do that. And it is a bit wobbly without that bar. It's not too bad. Another nice thing about this is it does have like a basket, and you've got a couple hooks. You've got this bigger hook, so there's things that you can hang if you want to or need to. So something to point out here, it's hard to see in the camera, but there's a hole here and there's a hole here, so depending on where the water is coming out of the wall, you can put this bar up or down a little bit. Alright, so I have it installed above the toilet, and yes, I did install the bar, and it was really nice that it had the two holes, because the first hole I tried to put in just wasn't a great spot, but the one up above worked out really well. This was sent to me so I could do this video. I'm really happy with it. So it was super easy to put together. I like these shelves. This is a really nice place to put extra towels, or I don't know, I guess you could put toilet paper. I'm just gonna leave it like this. This is my wife's bathroom anyway, so I'm gonna let her do her thing. But I really like these shelves. Hey, that looks kind of artsy too. That looks cool. Yeah, these are nice shelves. I like them.